list is the opening of this renewable compressed natural gas station and the corridor that it gives us here in Indiana. We're reducing our dependence on foreign oil with these 42 trucks that run milk daily up and down the corridor. With that, we're creating jobs, building industry here in the state, creating a model that other dairy groups across the country can take and create these same partnerships and infrastructure corridors in their regions. But
one of the beauties that make a person like myself, who's an entrepreneur or a businessman, take a leap of faith sometimes, is what clean cities would offer. And that's what government, industry need to work together with, is to say, guys, if you have an idea and it's progressive and it's going to benefit all, we're willing to support that idea and come in with some dollars and show you that, you know, government and private industry can work incredibly well together. The governor's office of the previous administration and this administration, the Department of Energy, USDA, obviously Clean Cities, it's impressive to me how well we were able to work with them to lay out the model of what we were trying to create. And then bring in companies like Kroger supermarkets who had to do so many sacrifices to change their system to adapt to this one just like we had to. But all under the belief that this truly does what Kellie's saying, it truly changes American history. This is going to be a dramatic change in our energy, the way we use energy in this country. Although this is a renewable source of natural gas, which is really cool compared to a fossil fuel natural gas, which is better than using diesel from an environmental standpoint of view. Although this is renewable, we know that we have an abundance of natural gas in this country and that we can truly affect our energy policies and have a better America to where we are not sending money or importing products from people that really are not contributing to the better of our country.
And what we were looking for is projects that basically did three things. One, the economics worked, so it was, you could get a return on investment over the long term without subsidy, ultimately. Two, they had environmental impact. And three, the technology was proven. We weren't going to take big technology risks. And the more we dug into things here, the more sense it made. So we invested in the projects and are happy to be a part of it and partner with it. Our plan long term is to develop a set of these corridors. So this is the first two stations. We anticipate opening at least 10 this year. A lot of those will be in Texas and along I-10 and I-20, and then in the Midwest along I-65, I-75, and I-85. And ultimately, we envision a network of stations throughout the Midwest and Southeast so that we can run trucks from the west side of Texas to the East Coast, and from Chicago down to Florida. And we're really excited about the opportunities with natural gas and happy to be a part of it.
Standing today really represents the start of a supply line or supply chain. So I'm going to take you through a couple of remarks at the other end of that supply chain, which matters most to us at Kroger, which is ultimately our customers and the difference this all makes for them. Kroger's been around in an intensely competitive industry for 130 years because we found a way that we can balance very carefully, well-researched opportunities for investments with a willingness to be leading edge, cutting edge, and be those innovative first-in-industry players. And this Fair Oaks partnership and all the other players is a perfect example of that balance. It lets us do that in one more way. But also, I would say, it's a statement of support to you and your team as well.
Indiana really stands to make to reap the environmental and economic impact or benefits of technology. The combination of renewable fuel plus mitigating our waste streams is a real winner for the people of the state of Indiana. Governor Pence and Lieutenant Governor Ellsberg have been very aggressive in forward-thinking about promoting diversification of our energy and vehicle solutions. Whether it's natural gas, hybrid hydraulic, propane, other platforms, we've been taking steps to make Indiana a leader in manufacturing and usage of alternative fuel vehicles.
We're really proud to be a partner to this this whole operation, as you've been hearing described. Everybody these days seems like every company talks about sustainability, or they've now got somebody who's saying they're the vice president of sustainability of their companies or something. But this really is sustainability. You think you're taking the waste from the manure, from the catalyst that can actually, they can get into fuel, they're powering these vehicles with. I mean, what a great story that is, not only as far as reducing your dependence on foreign oil, reducing emissions, and saving money all at the same time. I mean, that is just fantastic.
Dennis mentioned our National Clean Fleets Partnership, which was announced by the President a little less than 2 years ago. And he really kind of challenged the largest companies in the country and the largest fleets in the country to start really making massive deployments of alternative fuel vehicles. And there's been a lot happening with alternative fuel vehicles and natural gas and other fuels and technologies for several years, but it's been very much at the local level. And so the challenge is, how do we grow this, much as we've heard about today and what America is trying to do. So the National Clean Fleets Partnership is about that. It's about not just recognizing those fleets, but really working with them to help them meet their petroleum reduction goals, to get vehicles deployed, to get infrastructure developed. We announced today that AFT Americas is going to join the National Clean Fleets Partnership, and we're looking forward to working with them.